Yes. I'm back. Ow. Hit! Ah.
He got you!
You're right.
On my neck. Hit. Oh.
Hit!
I know! Let's game! Switch sides!
Alright, I am not going on back to that again. I'm going over for it.
Let's go! Hit! Dead man! There's one right there! Oh my gosh. He made it far.
That building right there.
He just got shot. Shoot.
He's moving up.
He moved up! He's on our side!
He's going on our side to the right.
He's over.
Oh, shit!
Shoot. Go ahead. Oh, they're coming.
Yeah, hit!
Ah,
Yeah.
I got you.
We had PJ, we could get farther up.
No, I'll come back for you guys.
You won't, I know you.
I will.
Top left. I don't know whichever one like is
Was that it?
Got one. One moving left! Left side! Ah! Ah! Watch the smoke! Hey! There's two going once! Two going once!
I don't have my. Oh my god. Look at this nice tree. This would have been nice to do my live video now.
Where's that one?
I'm going.
I can't.
You got him?
I can go.
Where they at? Where they at?
Everywhere.
They're really pushed
They're
back.
literally building 1 o'clock and 12.
Okay, 1 and 12.
Yes, sir.
Are they out or not?
No.
Yeah, get there.
Oh, they're not out or not.
They're still there. They're still there.
Alright. Okay. Alan, where you at, buddy?
What are they
And I'm
doing?
officially out of EVs.
You are?
Yeah.
Switch your pistol. Run.
Yep. I'm
Gotta
going.
run. Just sit your gun here.
I'm
with
gonna
me
go
on
into the
one.
castle.
Okay, I'll watch him. Make him proud.
Did you just get hit?
I was just patting.
Still there? Hello. Woo! That sounded like it hurt. Whew. This is not a good spot. I'm going inside of this.
Come on in. Reach out and touch you. I'll reach out and touch you.
What?
Are you in the barrel?
Yes.
Good luck, man.
Thank you. I'm running out of DDs.
I've been out of here.
Reloading.
You got mag?
There you go, man.
Boom, pow, pop my head.
We got 1 or 2 coming up. 12 o'clock. Yeah, doggy.
Oh yeah, PJ.
What?
Oh really?
What?
Really?
Hit me?
Yeah.
Yeah, he came around the corner and lit you in the chest. I didn't feel it. Saying bang, 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 all of you.
There's like 1 or 2 way over there.
Yeah, I'm definitely shooting.
I can't hit them. Look up in the.
Just saying, guys, I have a grenade. I'm gonna blow it. Is it hitting you?
I shot him too.
Oh, that's deep.
I shot you too.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the pea rock.
Hit. Ah!
Don't you hide behind me. Get out of here.
You're behind a tree.
Okay, this is Dev Rame, guys. Follow me on Instagram. Follow the team, East Coast Plague Milsom. Shout out to this guy. He's pretty cool, I guess. But just kidding. Yeah. I hope I make it in the video. If I do, it's cool. If I don't, it's okay. You're a faggot. Just kidding. Not really. I don't know. Bye.
I saw your
Peace out.
video.
Drop the mic.
I don't